Sentences about may. आज बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain today. It may rain today. वो घर पर हो सकता है. He may be at home. He may be at home. तुम अब जा सकते हो. You may leave now. You may leave now. वो शायद देर से पहुंचे. They may arrive late. They may arrive late. तुम्हारी उम्र दराज हो. May you live long. May you live long. वो कल आ सकती है. She may come tomorrow. She may come tomorrow. आपका सफ़र खैरियत से हो. May your journey be safe. May your journey be safe. अल्लाह हमें माफ़ करे. May God forgive us. May God forgive us. ये साल आपके लिए खुशियाँ लाए. May this year bring you happiness. May this year bring you happiness. आप यहाँ बैठ सकती है. You may sit here. You may sit here. Subscribe for more.